Hello and welcome to Nerea's kitchen. Today I am going to show you a recipe for orange cupcakes. Let's start with the ingredients. You will need 1 cup of oil, 3 cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar, 1 small bag of baking powder, 3 eggs, and 1 orange. Preparation. First, put the oil and sugar in the blender. Cut the orange in small pieces and add them with the eggs. Blend the ingredients. Then put the mixture in a bowl and add the flour and baking powder. Next, mix it and spoon it into cupcake paper cases. After that, bake for 15 to 20 minutes to 180 degrees. Later, turn off the oven and take the cupcakes out. Finally, decorate the cupcakes with icing, sugar, and chocolate buttons. Enjoy your cupcakes. Goodbye. Bye bye.